So guys, I wanna teach you guys how to open this padlock without the key, with only this broom now. Understand? So cameraman, just come close. So the step begins. Come close, come close. You go first chook this thing. This thing now dey 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So first step now, you go chook am. Na my guy teach me this thing o. No be say I wan just tell una make una know in case una lock una key inside. Understand? Then chook for this one. As you dey chook am, make am dey tight. E don enter. So then put for the third one. Cut am. Push am, make dey tight. So for this middle one now, that is the fourth one. E get process wey dem dey use do am. You go first chook am. E get wetin you go chook inside, comot am. You understand? Chook am again. You go do am 3 times, comot am. Then the last one, see, wey be the 3 times, see, you go just chook am, leave am. So cameraman, just capture am. Shey you dey see am? So I'm about to open it now. See, it's locked. So to open the padlock without the key, understand? So I gats first comot am one by one as I take put am. Comot am, make remain this one. Just comot am. Then carry the key, open am. Na the way o.